as being an IAS officer or being an entrepreneur?
See, now you should not tell me as an entrepreneur, I am an inventor. Because thousands of doctors are being, practicing my medicines. There is a difference between the doctor and inventor. And I am enjoying as a, inventor. Because something I have given to the entire humanity of the world to give hopes to the people who have lost hopes. And firstly, I am thankful to IAS. If at all I am not an IAS officer, my principles, my research could have been not accepted, or my family could have not got such a huge investment. Because entrepreneurship anybody can become. Even bread making to biscuit making, chocolate making, they are all entrepreneurs. But bringing something new to the humanity. And now I am advocating, see now, Government of Karnataka has invited me on 19th to address the entire secretariat. To address food is the medicine. I am always advocating Ahari Paramashadam. Ahara ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇ ಔಷಧಿ. ನಾವು ಎಂತ ರೋಗ ಇತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಮುಖ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. I am telling you, one gentleman came from Tumkur. He had a mouth cancer. Totally the tumor was filled up with the mouth. He is unable to swallow food. Only on tube he used to have. Plus low ejection fraction because of diabetic cardiomyopathy. He is totally dilated because of the high diabetes, 500 plus. And he came with the support of wife. He is working as a driver in the health department in Tumkur. And I told him, ನಿನ್ನ ಮೂತಿ ನೆಟ್ಕಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ತೀಯ 100% you should take Ankuku diet. Next month wife has brought him 50% of the tumor has disappeared. Ejection fraction has risen from 33 to 47%. Nobody can imagine. Thirdly, diabetes totally wiped out. All insulin he has stopped in 1 month. Our body system, God has given such a great thing because we do not know. Because I did this as a passion since 1981. Almost 4 decades. But only after getting into IAS, it was recognized by the top people. Thereafter, necessities of our affirmation. I had a problem, my son had a blood cancer, my father has a kidney failure. So like that, all these, good happenings, I will tell you. If at all these good happenings not taken place, I could have not invented, today I could have not so busy after that. So that's why what I want to tell you, I am the happiest person. As a policy maker for 2 national policies, and third one is Mahabodhi temple. Nobody is touching it.